Hi everyone, in this video we'll cover the steps to replace a Fluidmaster toilet fill valve. You got this. Here we go. Mark the full water level on the tank wall. Place a towel or small bucket on the floor under the fill valve. Turn off the water supply valve. Remove the waterline connector from the bottom of the fill valve. A bit of water may come out of the supply line. Flush the toilet and hold the flapper up to drain as much water as possible. Remove the remaining water from the tank with a wet vac, towels, or large sponges. Unhook the refill tube from the overflow pipe. Verify that the top of the old fill valve is at least 3 inches taller than the top of the overflow pipe. If not, note the height of the overflow pipe. Remove the lock nut from the bottom of the fill valve and remove the fill valve. Now to install the new fill valve. This is a Fluidmaster 400A fill valve. Adjust the height of the new fill valve to match the height of the old fill valve, and do the same with the float adjustment screw. Twist the black shank of the fill valve left to increase the height, or right to lower it. If the old fill valve was not at least 3 inches taller than the overflow pipe, adjust the new fill valve now. One full turn of the shank will raise or lower the height of the fill valve 1/2 of an inch. If not already on the fill valve, install the gasket or washer. Insert the fill valve and loosely tighten the new lock nut. Position the fill valve so the refill port faces toward the overflow pipe and that no parts interfere with the lever arm or touch the tank walls. Hand tighten the lock nut. Attach the waterline connector to the fill valve. Hand tighten only. Connect one end of the refill tube to the refill port. Place the refill tube clip on the overflow pipe. Measure and cut the refill tube for an easy bend. Connect the refill tube to the clip. I position mine outside the overflow pipe. To learn why, click the link at the end of this video. Almost done. Turn on the water supply valve and check for any leaks. Let water fill the tank and check that the water from the refill tube flows into the overflow pipe. After the tank refills, check if the water level stopped at the mark. The water level should be 1/2 to 1 inch below the top of the overflow pipe. If needed, adjust the water level by turning the float adjustment screw. Clockwise to raise the water level or counterclockwise to lower it. Flush the toilet to verify proper operation. Now it's your turn. You got this. To learn if your toilet can be set up for faster refills, check out this video.